How to save Instagram profile picture. So let's get started with the tutorial. Even though Instagram does not have a built-in feature to download or save the profile picture directly, but we are here with a workaround. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now tap on the search button available at the bottom left corner. Now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the account you want to save profile picture of. Now long press on the profile picture and it will be displayed in full screen. Simply take the screenshot. Now all you have to do is tap on the screenshot you just took and crop this photo. Crop it properly according to your preferences. Once cropped, all you have to do is tap on the Done or Save button available at the top left corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down, tap on the Save to Photos and save this screenshot to your photos. Now go back to the home screen and tap on the Photos app and open this. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.